The Water Resources Department on Tuesday confirmed that there is no flood situation in any of the rivers in Odisha. Engineer-in-Chief Chandrasekhar Padhi said that while water levels are rising in some rivers due to recent rainfall, the situation remains under control. On Monday, 20.97 mm rainfall was recorded in Subarnarekha, 43.07 mm in Budhabalanga, and 30.65 mm in Boitarani. As a result, the Boitarani, Budhabalanga, Jolaka, and Subarnarekha rivers are likely to see a further rise in water levels and may touch the warning level. However, unless there is heavy rainfall today, the danger level will not be crossed, Padhi clarified. At present, the Hirakud Reservoir has a water level of 626.31 feet, while Rangali stands at 122.73 meters. Authorities said no gates will be open today. A decision on releasing water will be taken only if fresh inflows are recorded due to rainfall.
सुवर्णरेखा 20.97 मिलीमीटर वर्षा, बुढ़ाबालंगा 43.07 मिलीमीटर वर्षा और बैतरणी 30.65 मिलीमीटर वर्षा। बैतरणी जलस्तर वृद्धि पाइब, बुढ़ाबालंगा वृद्धि पाइब एवं जलकार वृद्धि पाइब, सुवर्णरेखा किछिटा वृद्धि पाइब। तेबे आमर जहाँ पूर्वानुमान अच्छी से बैतरणी आउ बुढ़ाबालंग आउ जलका एथिरे वार्निंग लेवल पाखापाखि किंबा वार्निंग लेवल को ब्रिज करि पारे। आमर आजिर जो रेनफॉल तार उपरे डिपेंड करिवो सेटा डेंजर लेवल क्रॉस करिवो ना नहीं। तेणुक आज जदि वर्षा न हुए ताले सेटा डेंजर लाइन क्रॉस करिवो नहीं।